Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.5 litre, TSI, Evo Match Edition, 130 PS. The car is amazing and it has a good spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a forward collision warning system, a city emergency brake, distance monitoring, an automatic post-collision braking system, and 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. The boot as well is a good size, and it comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has heated front seats, 2-zone climate control and Volkswagen media control. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.